For all of our enterprise users, we do have member user allocation for rights and responsibilities. And by doing that, you're going to go down here to our users tab on the left-hand side. And before you can add a user to your group, you'll have to go to the group rights tab, and then you'll have to allocate all of the rights and responsibilities for your team members. You have to either allow them to use your master admin prepay or to add to the prepay. And then we also have a feature where we can set a threshold amount so that you will be notified when that prepay balance has been met. Fill that out based on the permissions and then save permissions. And then we'll just go back to manage users and go to add users. And then you'll just fill out the name and stuff that's required. Choose your responsibilities or rights that you would like for them to have. You can uncheck it or you can check it and then save your user. And then that person will be listed right here. You can also enable them for existing and future records, or you can assign payers specifically just for those users by checking these buttons. Once this is done, they will be listed right here, and they will have specific responsibilities, and then they will be sent an invitation link that they will have to click in order to get access. As you can see, there's also an import users button where you can upload our template with all of your member users in one location. Or you can export Excel, all of your list of member users. And then here is where you can download your member user payer list. This is exclusively for enterprise users.